Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from HSBC to another bank account. So first of all you have to do is open the HSBC app, or you can also open it on your web browser, and you have to click on Pay and Transfer. Once you click on it, you can select so many options like your local HSBC account, other local pays, bill payments, tax payments, or you can select other global transfers. Once you've selected the option, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you have to enter the amount of money that you want to send to another bank, and it will show you how much rate will you receive or the other person will receive in his currency. You can select the fees, you will pay all fees, or the person who is receiving will pay the fees, or fees will be shared. And you can enter all of the correct details of the person that is receiving your money. After you enter all of the information correctly of the bank account that you want to send money to, and after that HSBC will show you a confirmation message that you have successfully or completed your transfer, and you will get your reference number, your account information and everything. And that's how you can transfer money from HSBC to another bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.